Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to connect Emergent AI to N8n for automation. So as you can see here, this is our prompt, right? There we go. This is hands-free, so this is pretty much more of a vibe coding thing. And then it's going to, Emergent, will give you the prototypical Emergent welcome, and then it's going to ask you certain things, right? So it's going to ask you your requirements, what kind of interface do you need? So simple dashboard, there we go. And click next. Right? Workflow triggers, manual, event-based, both manual and automated triggers. There we go. Do you already have, is this running? Need help setting up N8 first, right? Do that. So simple, or no authentication needed, depending on what you want. There you go. So we want notifications only, for example. There we go. Click submit. All right, as you can see, it says here, I'll build a simple dashboard for N8n flow management with both manual and automated triggers for notifications. So we're just gonna click design agent here. So this is pretty much what you're gonna see. It's gonna slide down for something visual of Emergent as it works through your prompt. Okay, now it is going to restart the services and take a screenshot so it can verify if everything is fine. If not, it's going to course correct and do some problem solving for us. And as you can see here, there we go, the API is working. Now let's take a screenshot to see the UI. So this is going to be what you're going to see for now. And now it's going to start working. So again, the dashboard is working perfectly. Now let me scroll down to see the trigger button and notification previews. If we click on this, it is pretty much what we're going to see that is done. There we go. All right, it says here the UI is looking great. Now let me create a comprehensive setup guide, document, and call the testing agent. So after this, the testing agent will go through everything from start to end and see if there are any errors or if there anything that it needs fixing. And this is the longest part of doing this. So just be patient. And as you can see, a testing agent, if you click on this, you're going to see what it does here, right? This is going to be logs of the testing agent. So again, this is going to be the longest portion of using Emergent for something like this. All right, it says here, not let me call the testing agent to verify all functionality because it's now almost done. So we are, okay, as you can see here, testing agent found only one minor low priority issue. Let me fix it quickly. So again, it immediately fixes any issue compared to older LLMs where you say, okay, I need you to do this or I need you to make this app. There's barely any testing if at all. But when it comes to newer LLMs like Emergent, it actually does the testing for you. Better yet, if you prompt it with that portion of like, hey, I want you to test things, right? Before we start actually finishing things up. And as you can see here, the clear button is now visible. Let me test the backend API one more time to ensure everything is working. So again, it does not just check, it double checks, right? Okay, now it says that everything's working perfectly. It's going to create a reference card. And now we're done. So as you can see here, finish with comprehensive summary, right? Automation bridge, built full stack automation bridge connecting Emergent to N8n workflows. So it's going to tell you the backend features, the front-end dashboard, zero configuration required, and documentation created. And sample webhook URL. So it's actually going to give you sample stuff. And then all you need to do is click on deploy and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.